Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. Discover how CRM works. Learn key features, best practices, and tips to manage customer relationships effortlessly. Ready to streamline your workflow? Navigate to the side menu. Under CRM, you'll find Contacts, your hub for managing all customer connections effortlessly. Contacts are displayed in easy-to-read cards. Each card shows key details like invoices, bills, total receivables, and payables, everything you need at a glance. Filter contacts. By contact type or business role, quickly find customers or suppliers or any other category you need. Once you make a sale, the system automatically categorizes the contact as a customer. Or you can add a new customer directly with just a few clicks. Now, let's add some new contacts. Start by adding a contact picture. Then fill in details like name, contact type, person or company, email, ID and more. On the right, customize further with tags, gender and marital status. Add address. Link a ready-made price list to the customer, if available. Customize the default sales terms for the customer from the start. You can also add bank account. You're all set. Go ahead and create the contact now, it's ready. Explore the configuration options to customize your CRM. Use contact tags to organize and categorize your contacts, making them easier to find and manage. To add a new tag, enter the tag name and select a color. Once added, your tag will appear in the list, ready for you to select and use anytime. Your tag will appear right on the contact card, making it easy to identify and organize at a glance. Finally, you can set up the rest of the CRM-related matters. And that's a wrap. With these tips, your Invent CRM account is now more efficient and streamlined than ever. Thank you for watching.